Hi, lovelies, welcome back. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment, and also turn on your notification bell for you to be the first to be notified any day, anytime a video is being uploaded. To my returning subscribers, thank you and God bless you. So today I'll be showing you how I prepare this delicious, amazing potato salad recipe. Come with me, let's do this together. So to begin, we are going to be needing some Irish potatoes. Okay, so the next thing is to go ahead and give it a proper wash.
As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belle, you know who to call. Mobajodo. Food where they wash and cook, na so son.
Now the potato is well cleaned. Now go ahead and pour it into a cooking pot.
It's always a solution, looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with.
Add some salt, water to the level of the potatoes in the pot.
MIRA'S kitchen day for you. MIRA'S kitchen day for you.
Once done, cover the pot and place in a cooker and cook until the potato is properly cooked or done, okay? Some minutes later, I checked on the potatoes. Yeah, so the potatoes is well cooked. Once the knife goes into it easily, it is done, okay? But do not allow the potato to overcook, okay? So the next, drain out the water and allow to cool down. Yeah, just the way you are seeing here, the potato has completely cooled down. Now peel the skin off gently, just the way I'm doing here, okay? So at this point, you can see it is perfectly peeled and clean, and we are done, okay? So now go ahead and cut into smaller parts or to your desirable size.
Ginger, you go humble your spirit, but whatever it might be, it's always a solution, looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this, so anytime, any place where you dey. MIRA'S kitchen day for you. MIRA'S kitchen day for you. Then they for put call we active. As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belle, you know who to call. Mobajodo. Food where they wash and cook, na so son. Enjoy yourself, tabi follow. You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. But whatever it might be, it's always a solution, looking for the perfect kitchen.
And now we are done with the potatoes, set it aside. This is a special meat for Germans, especially during Christmas. It is being cooked with just water for some hours. It has been spiced already and have super taste. Yeah, the meat is already cooked, okay? So I took some water out and added 1 cube Maggi. Yeah, mix until it is well dissolved, okay? If you do not have this, please skip. I did this because I was not having liquid Maggi, okay? You can use liquid Maggi or you skip entirely, okay? So once done, set aside. So the next is to mix everything together. So in a bowl, I poured in the sliced potatoes. So at this point, I am done adding the potatoes in a bowl. So the next is to season it up. I added some olive oil. Black pepper, purple onions,
Belle they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my
dry parsley,
ginger, you go humble your spirit, but whatever it might be, it
Salad herbs. This is totally optional, okay?
back on this. So anytime, any place where you dey.
Little salt. Now add the stock water mixed with season cube. Yeah, I added everything in one stone. Mix until everything is well incorporated, okay?
As long as it concern food, oh, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belle, you know who to call. Obajo don. Food wey dey wash hand cook, oh, na so son. Oh. Enjoy yourself, oh, tabi follow. You don't need to dey bother yourself, oh, my brother. But whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen.
I added 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar.
Mira's kitchen day for you. Mira's kitchen day for you.
At this point, I added the rest of the stock water here, mix until it is well combined, yeah, because I want it moist and juicy. Wow, can you see? Can you see? And our potato salad is ready. So it's time to serve. Enjoy with any chilled drink of your choice or meat or in whichever way you prefer. Honestly, this tasted so super delicious. Hope you try out this recipe and you will never regret it. I guarantee you on this. Yeah, it came out perfectly good. But if you don't want to start enjoying it immediately, you can as well place it in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes or so and enjoy. Guys, thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one and remain blessed. Bye bye.